Welcome inside a modern USA chicken processing facility, where technology, precision, and strict food safety standards work together every single day. The process begins when refrigerated trucks arrive at the factory under carefully controlled conditions. Each batch is inspected and documented before entering the production line. Inside, advanced automated systems guide the product through regulated processing stages. Temperature, sanitation, and speed are constantly monitored.
Level
by
stabilizing.
technicians
Watch the
in a
temperature
dedicated
zones.
control
Copy.
room
Sanitation
to
levels are
ensure
climbing.
consistent quality.
Good. Keep monitoring.
Next comes precision cutting. High-speed machines separate chicken into wings, breasts, thighs, and
Levels are
drumsticks
rising.
with
Confirm
remarkable
anomaly.
accuracy.
Confirmed. Executing
Every
protocol
portion
now.
is
Stabilizing.
inspected
Good
under
call.
bright lighting to meet strict federal safety standards. From there, the product moves into the packaging zone. Automated conveyors place portions into trays, vacuum seal them for freshness, and apply detailed labels for tracking and distribution. Before leaving the facility, each package undergoes a final quality check. Only approved products are loaded into refrigerated trucks and delivered to stores across the country. From farm to packaging, modern USA chicken factories combine skilled workers, advanced automation, and rigorous inspection systems to provide safe, high-quality poultry every day. And that's how chicken is processed in today's modern factories.